Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andiki Pratama. I am from the Technocrat Indonesian University Accounting Study Faculty of Economic and Business Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about understanding PPH 23 Indonesia Withholding Tax on Service and Capital Income. What is PPH 23? Definition: PPH 23 is an income tax or pajak penghasilan applied to specific types of income derived from capital and service within Indonesia. It acts as a prepayment of the recipient's annual income tax liability. Scope of application: it primarily targets payments for service, dividend, interest, royalties, and rentals of assets. The payer is responsible for withholding the tax. Mechanism: the payer withholds the calculated tax amount and is required to remit it directly to the Indonesia government on behalf of the recipient, service, the service provider, or income earner. Legal foundation and key regulation. The PPH 23 regime is firmly established by Indonesian tax law, ensuring mandatory compliance for all relevant transactions. Income tax law, governed by Law No. 7 of 1983 on income tax, most recently amended by Law No. 36 of 2008, and PWP requirement, mandatory registration and use of the taxpayer identification number. NPWP is crucial for accurate compliance and correct tax rates. Ministerial decrees, detailed implementation rules are set by the Ministry of Finance regulation. Latest amendments. Current procedural and administrative rules often rely on recent updates like PMK 2031 2019. The withholding obligation. All corporate entities in Indonesia act as withholding agent for PPH 23. 1. Who must withhold? Any Indonesian entity, including PT, PT PMA, CV, government agencies, and permanent establishment, making payment for taxable income to another resident taxpayer. 2. Scope of obligation. The requirement applies to all relevant transactions regardless of the company's size or annual income volume. Compliance is non-negotiable. 3. Administrative mandates. Monthly filing and payment are mandatory even if there are no PPH 23 transactions in a given month. A nil tax return may still need to be submitted. Income categories subject to PPH 23. Dividend, interest, and royalty. Incomes earned from capital investment. Prize and awards, except those already taxed under final tax rules. Management and technical service. Fees fee paid for professional oversight and technical expertise. Rental of movable asset. Leasing income for equipment, vehicle, or machinery. Consulting and legal service. Payment for advisory service including tax, legal, and accounting. Applicable PPH 23 tax rate. Capital income applied to dividend, interest, royalties, and price. This rate is usually the higher rate. Service and rental applied to service fee, management, technical, consulting, and rental of movable assets. This is the more common rate for business service. Penalty for non-NPWP in the recipient does not process a valid NPWP, the applicable withholding rate is doubled. Simplified tax calculation. Tax base is gross payment. The withholding tax is always applied to the total amount paid or due, excluding VAT, if applicable, but before any other costs or deductions. Consulting fee, 10 millions, 2% of 10 millions rupiah is 200,000. Royalty payment, 15 million, 15% of 15 million is 7 million 1,500,000 rupiah. Rental of equipment, 5 million rupiah. 2% of 5 million rupiah is 100,000 rupiah. Complaints, filing and payment deadline. Payment deadline, the withholding again must deposit the PPh 23 tax amount into the state treasury by the 10th day of the month following the payment date. Filing deadline, the monthly tax return must be submitted electronically to the Directorate General of Tax by the 20th day of the month following the payment date. Consequence of non-compliance, late payment incurs interest and fines. Repeat failures can lead to criminal sanction or the temporary suspension of the entity and PWP halting business operation. Case study consulting service payment. Service agreement, PT XYZ engaged a local consultant for a service fee of 50 million rupiah. PPh 23 rate for service is 2%. Tax withheld. PT XYZ calculate the tax 2% by 50 million is 1 million rupiah. PPh 23. Net payment to consultant PT XYZ by the consultant the net amount 50 million rupiah minus 1 million rupiah is 50 for 49 million rupiah. Remittance to government, PT XYZ deposit the 1 million rupiah tax to the DGT and issues withholding slip to the consultant. Summary, why PPh 23 compliance is critical. Ensure compliance fulfills the mandatory legal obligation for all transactions involving service and capital income payments, minimizing legal risks. Avoid penalties, timely withholding deposit and filing prevent costly fines, interest, and potential disruption of business activities due to NPWP suspension. Support smooth operation. Clear process for PPh 23 allow business to manage cash flow accurately and maintain strong relationship with vendors and the tax authority. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.